All right. So my name is Mher Kazandjian. I'm a DevOps engineer in the data management services team here at Surf. I was volunteered to give this presentation. I didn't have time to update the title, but it's fine. So I'll be presenting a use case for one of our customers, RIVM. For a data to compute workflow on our infrastructure. So this use case popped up when basically RIVM want to run their workflows on our supercomputer. And the workflow is as follows. So RIVM have a tape archive, what we call iRODS scale-out instance on our site. So the resource server is an archive, is an iRODS resource server on our site that's connected to our tape archive. And instead of RIVM pulling the data to their site and processing it on their HPC, so we're implementing a workflow that would allow them to stage the data on the scratch or project space of the supercomputer, and basically the data would be so the data would be metadata tagged, and then through a rule it would be batch submitted and run on the supercomputer. Okay. So one of the challenges and one of the things that took some time to figure out is the permissions, and basically this would be done in the following. Oops, what did I do? Oh, okay. Would be that so the data would be replicated to the it's an NFS resource, so the project space is mounted via NFS on this dedicated resource server. And through a service account, it would be executed on the supercomputer, and basically the data would be put in a data set where everything would be run through the service account. This one of the advantages in this is that it would facilitate the user management. So if an institute has lots of users, they don't have to bother the HPC team with giving access to this and that. Yeah, so there's a missing part here, which is related to the products that would come out. And basically there would be a out box here where each user, for example, each user other than the iRODS service account would be able to look at the data and examine. All right, that's it.
All right. Any questions? Not? All right. Thank you.